नाउ मिनरल्स, आप सबको पता है सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था हिंदुस्तान को, हमारे देश को? आप बताओ क्यों कहा जाता था? हाँ, वेरी गुड, क्योंकि उस समय इंडिया में बहुत ज्यादा गोल्ड था। इसका इसका क्या मतलब है? हाँ, वेरी गुड। एंड यस,
India was very wealthy at that time.
हाँ, very wealthy because हमारे पास सोना था। So this is very interesting. You know, the seniors were not able to, but the junior wing of Vivek Hai is really getting very good answer. So why it was known as सोने की चिड़िया? Because यहाँ पे सोना हुआ करता था। तो सबसे पहले सोने की खान कहाँ पे थी यहाँ पे? Where was the oldest mine? Kolar gold mine, huh? Was one of them. And we see that all the gold in Harappan civilization, you know, which we found, if we are going to trace it back, the source of that ornaments of Harappan civilization, we trace it back to Kolar gold mines. Based on the chemical analysis, you know, 11% silver is found only in Kolar gold fields. So this is how gold and copper found in nature. These are tunnels. So all the yellow material which you are seeing. So this is a mine in Balochistan. And not only we were very good in exploring minerals, but we were also very good in making minerals, making ornaments, making lot of different things from it. And this was one of the peacock thrones, you know, and made entirely of gold. Now it is not here, but it has been taken away by Rajeshwar. Now is it in our. So we have this Kolar gold mine and other gold mines in India. So in the past we were rich because we were rich in minerals. Sorry, because we were doing a lot of exploration work. This is, everybody knows? Kohinoor. But now where is it? In England. And anybody knows where it was found? Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, it was one of the oldest diamond mines which produced largest diamonds, you know. So we see that our ancestors were very wise. They were very enthusiastic about mineral resources. They knew how to explore and develop minerals. This is iron figure. So our ancestors also know how to make iron in the past. आज का अगर हम आयरन ले लें तो it gets rusted, है ना, रस्ट लग जाता है ना, उसमें जंग लग जाता है। लेकिन जो ये पुराना आयरन है इसमें अभी तक जंग नहीं लगा। That was the metallurgy, science of metallurgy which our ancestors had. Now, if you see Abu Dhabi before 1960, they used to ride on camels and they lived a very normal life. छोटे छोटे घरों से, they were not very rich. But once one mineral, कौन सा मिनरल मिल गया उनको? ऑयल। तो ऑयल मिल गया, उसके बाद इन्होंने सारे का सारा खेल बदल दिया और आज उनके पास भुज दुबई है, मतलब they are one of the richest nation and most prosperous. अच्छा, सिविलाइजेशंस कहाँ पे बनती और बिगड़ती हैं? हाँ बताओ। रिवर्स के पास, हाँ। So water plays a very important role whenever a civilization has to flourish. And that water, if not tamed properly, destroys them. So we have to be very careful, because if a water is running and if we encroach those channels, you know, we are bound to get destroyed. So today everyone is suffering because of we are not preserving those channels and encroaching them. Abhi, if you go to Panchkula, that Ghaggar river, entire Ghaggar river, sector 20 onward, after sector 12 or maybe that entire river was Ghaggar bed, and we have encroached it. That entire Panchkula actually was Ghaggar river. So it has been encroached by man. Now one day what will happen is, suddenly a flash flood comes and then we will be crying, oh flood aa gaya, global warming is creating a problem. But we have created our own problems, you know, by encroaching the river channels. So we have to be very careful. And similarly, cyclone aa gaya. Cyclones will not come anywhere. But cyclones have their own tendency, you know, because it is just a mechanism of transportation of sediments. Cyclones, they are transporting all the sediments which have been deposited in the beaches to the ocean. That is the mechanism. It's like a JCB machines, you know, of nature, transporting all the sediments into the ocean. So if we encroach those beaches, built beaches, so we will tend to be destroyed. So we have all heard about Indus Valley civilization.
Yes, sir.
What have you heard about how was it destroyed? Simple reason. It was destroyed by global glacial floods. Glacial flood means when the glaciers melt enormously, all the water comes all of a sudden, and they carry all the sediments and just cover the entire civilization. So this is how. So have you anybody heard about Saraswati Valley civilization?
No, sir.
Yeah. So are you being taught about this civilization in your classes also? No. So that is the bad part of it. Saraswati Valley civilization, Saraswati river existed right adjacent to us in Yamunanagar, and from Yamunanagar it went all the way